Welcome back, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 8th. Wendy and I just got back from Tampa, went for a birthday party over the weekend, and when I got home, I had all the parts that I had ordered that I talked about in the last video. I got the square socket, 3/4 drive, and the new pin. I've yet to try to make sure that they sent me the right pin, but we shall see. And I have Uncle Greg here with me as well. He is going to help me. We are also going to take the cylinders off today, hopefully. I want to repair the track so I could bring it up closer to the shop before I do that. But let's see, while I have the hole here, I don't have to climb under. Let me make sure they gave me the right one. And of course, it's not the right one. So go figure. Why should I have expected that to be the right one? I thought the hole looked too big. Well, I guess I'll be trying to find another one. Wonderful. So that isn't the case, but well, let me go and get working on trying to get this this pin. I gotta pick it up and move the track up to the top so I can get at it. But I'll turn the camera back on when I get to that. Let me let it warm up for a second. Assuming it'll start again. That'll be my other luck.
So maybe putting that pin in, what holds it there, you know?
Oh, there's a cotter pin that goes through it.
Oh, okay.
This is not optimally straight. But the first thing we got to do is see if, oh yeah, that's going to work. Don't fall in the hole. It's the second thing to do. It's not pulling as tight as I thought it would go. Could be pulling it down. I don't really want it to come out yet until I know. I may have to do that on this one as well. Maybe I should.
Yeah, that's what's even.
Pull that side too.
Yeah. You know why that ankle?
It's still not far enough. Like, you see? To me, it seems like this needs to go
More that way?
More that way. But this is. It doesn't seem to be. It's just playing a different tune now.
Yeah.
But this one will move. See, I did move it. I'd like to get lucky on this one and have this go fairly easy. Yeah, well, I'm sure I already did. I don't really need to. It happens on its own. But the cardinal's talking to me up there. If you hear him, that's the cardinal.
Yep.
So David's telling me he's going to help me. Or he's telling me, forget it. It's not going to happen. Down in the hole here. Well, it's close. It needs to come up. I may have to go get a big bar to pry up on it.
You want to go more that way with help? Or?
Yeah, try that. One more. That is helping. Go the other. One more. That's very close. I think if we get a bar, let's see if that took the pressure off to where I can knock that out. Is it moving?
Oh, yeah, it's coming.
Where can you? Can you get me the old pin? You know, the one I said you might be able to knock it out with. I just want to see if it'll fit, because that will actually help to hold it together. Oh, hold on, there's too much dirt in there. Almost like it is the same size. I wonder if that isn't moving all the way because it's, yeah, see, it's not quite lined up. And I think that I'd almost have to go grind that off. But to me, it almost looks like the pin is broken off flush with the bushing.
Oh.
Like this would have to then fit through. See, the problem is this is not.
Yeah, not ready.
This is not hitting it straight.
Yeah.
I need a bigger one. Did that move at all, or?
Yep.
So there it is.
Yeah, that's what I want. Boy, this one looks like that for a while.
Yeah. So here it is. Snapped off. Worn pretty good. So I guess this would have had another 200 hours worth of life left in it.
It's
Watch your eyes.
yeah. You're not quite lined up. It's on the bottom.
It needs to come up.
Yeah.
I got to go get a bigger bar.
Yeah.
All right, so there's a look through. So I've got to take the leaf blower and blow that dirt out of there. The pin, where's the pin? Oh, here it is. Here's a close-up of the pin. So that'd have been in there for a while.
Probably would have held, huh? If being so
Yep.
short. You think it would have popped out?
So now this thing might track straight again. Maybe I was blaming the motor, but so you can see on this side. Again, I got to get the dirt out of there, but it's very close. So I got a couple of bars, and hopefully we can get that lined up. But it's pretty close. Looks like that got it. Pin too. Not without heating it. That's weird. Let's see if that will do anything. Take that pin and see if you can, when I lift it up,
Okay, go ahead.
try to get it in line if you can. Look at the orientation of the no, look at me.
Yeah.
Get this so it fits in that.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
The football part's got to go in. It might be hitting the other side, but try to just get it in line when I take this pressure off. All right, at least it's in.
Yeah, hold on, lift up a little bit. A little more. Okay.
And just for the hell of it, try the hammers on top. See if you can. I'll take pressure off and see if you can. Yep. I think now might be when you're hitting it, the other side. But go ahead, hit it. Nope. But that's lined up now, though. Let me see if I can get this side. That separates it. Needs to, unless this one. Let me see if I can tighten this one. Oh, you know what? Let's loosen this one. That might make it go back the other way. Let's see. Just for the heck of it, try hitting that. It's very close. Very close. Very close. Yeah, it's still hitting it. Now it'll never go in that when I let go of it. It was very close though. I don't think this will go any tighter, but we can do this. Put this one on it too, without leaving the bars in there. Here, let me go down. You crank that.
Okay.
Let's try that. Oh, I think we had it. Hit it. Oh, it's going.
Oh, it is? Oh.
It's in it. That's it, right? You in all the way?
I'm trying to see if I...
You orientated in the right?
Yeah, well, it's oriented. Gets like a fingernail in the back. I don't know if that's...
Yeah, that's probably all it goes. Okay.
Yeah, well, what's going to hold that in? This thing?
Well, I gotta have to bend it. Like, let me see that pin.
Want the hammer?
Yeah. Pretty tight too. The inside won't come out.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Oh.
it's hitting. It's at the hole.
Yeah.
It needs to go through.
Yeah.
But this, it's hitting.
Oh, it's hitting.
It's hitting. The end of it's hitting. What I can do? See how it's digging in.
Oh wow.
If I take this back and grind it, you know, I take this, grind it, so it goes in and wedges itself. All right, let me go do that, and then you got to get the grease gun anyway. But it's in.
You weren't dealing with the hose guy. The hose guy would have been different.
Yeah. All right, so here's the pin. What I did was I ground off a little chamfer on it so that for some reason it's hitting the inside of the bushing. So that hopefully will solve the problem. All right, let's give this a shot. Oh yeah. Yeah, that worked. It's in. It's just, it's not aligned. There we go. I think I'm gonna do what I said. The good thing is, maybe they do that on purpose. Maybe it's tight.
Yeah.
Because
It can be tapered.
yeah, I bet you they drilled a hole, yeah, on an angle. Oh yeah, that's good. Now, I can't hit it in that position, but like I said, if I get it down below, I can heat it and just bend it. Oh good. I was gonna say, watch next. We'll have no grease in here. I brought an extra one, but I wanted to see. But I have 10, almost 10 ounces in here, so that'd be plenty. Now for the track tightening. If people don't know, in here is a 19mm bolt that has a grease nipple on it. Tighten it back up. Can't find it. And I guess technically this should be in the air and measure the distance. They don't put a step on the tracks for old people. ground. That's probably good. I won't go any tighter than that. Like I said, I want to loosen that side up. So, yeah, let's try that. So I guess that's all we have to do with that. Oh no, we got to do inside. We got to hit the pin. I'm getting ahead of myself. Yeah, actually that's actually perfect. You'll see. See it? Can you see?
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's perfect, and it's perfect to bend it because it'll bend right in. I could probably do it without heating it, but it'll make better video if I get some flame going. Everybody likes a flame. Let's see what we can see here. Come on. All right, for the last thing, here's the keeper pin, and this pin just has to be bent over. So in order to do that, I'm just going to heat it up and hit it with the hammer. There we go. That is not going anywhere. All right, now on that note, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Next video will be taking off the cylinders. Say goodbye, Uncle Greg.
Bye.